Hello, welcome to another productive series. In today's series, we would be solving a practical substitution into formula problem in mathematics, right? So let's quickly delve into our question for the day. Right, our question for the day. If O equals the fraction 2 over 3 and P equals -6, evaluate OP minus the fraction P over O, right? So let's quickly delve into it. So our solution, so our given equation is OP minus P over O, where O equals 2 over 3 and P equals -6, right? So we have to insert our values into our given equation, right? So we are going to have, therefore, OP minus PO, right, would be given as O, which is the fraction 2 over 3 multiplying -6, right, minus -6, right, minus the fraction -6 over 2 over 3. Okay, right. So we are going to simplify, right? So we have 2 over 3 multiplying -6 minus -6 divided by the fraction 2 over 3, right? So this 3 would cancel itself 1. It will cancel -6, 2. So we have -2, right? So we are going to have a new equation to be 2 multiplying -2 minus -6 divided by 2, the fraction 2 over 3, right? So we are going to have -4, right? When we remove this bracket surrounding -6, we are going to have -6, right? Okay, divided by 2 over 3, right? And division is substituted with addition, right? And when you do that, you change the direction of the denominators and the numerators, right? So this division, right, will become positive, right, and change its vectors or direction, right? So we are going to have -6 divided by 2 over 3 to become -6 multiplying 3 over 2, right? So when you change the equation, right, which is a division sign to a positive sign, divisions are related to multiplications, right? Division is related to multiplication and addition is related to subtraction, right? So whenever you have division to do, you can go by it with multiplication, right? And when you do that, you don't maintain the same fraction, you transform it to its inverse form, right? So when we simplify further, we are going to have negative 4. Negative adding to negative will give us positive, right? Plus 6 multiplying 3 over 2. So we are going to have negative 4 plus 6 multiplying 3 over 2, right? This 2 cancel itself, 1 and cancel this 3, this 6 3 times, right? So we are going to have negative 4 plus 3 multiplying 3. So we are going to have negative 4 plus 9, right? And this positive 9 plus 9 is higher or bigger than negative 4, right? So you have 9 oranges and you owe someone 4 oranges, which is the negative 4. You owe negative 4, right? 4 oranges. So when you pay off that debt of 4 oranges, you are left with 5 oranges. So our final answer is 5. Thank you so much for watching today's series. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.